before we can change anything, we have to be aware. We have to know what the problem is. And in mental health, there's really 4 areas we can address. We can address thoughts, we can address emotions, we can address behaviors, and we can address body chemistry. We address those 4 things, and we're going to be living a pretty good life. Thoughts especially are pretty easy to begin to manage. What I encourage people to do is to set an alarm a couple times a day. And when that alarm goes off, write down what you were thinking about. Write down, was that thought a negative thought pattern? Was it a positive thought pattern? Was there any truth to it? Were you thinking about something from the past? Were you thinking about something in the future instead of being focused on what's going on right now? And after a few weeks of doing this, you can really begin to figure out what your thought patterns are and where you need to start improving, what you need to start challenging. The model is awareness, analysis, adjustment. And awareness is the most difficult part because we go through life on autopilot. We go through life believing the things that are in our head or taking it as fact when it's more than likely a bunch of fiction. So set that alarm and start to become aware.